everyone, my name is Vasim. I'm the founder of Amazon FBA Giants YouTube channel and Facebook group. I'm really excited and honored to be invited to Seller Growth Summit in San Francisco on the 28th of February. I am very honored to be able to share the stage with many other speakers who are very knowledgeable and experienced in the Amazon FBA field and also in e-commerce. So I'm really excited to be able to meet all of you and to get to know you, at the same time to be able to help you in your journey. This Seller Growth Summit is going to be full and packed with a lot of information, tips and hacks that's going to help you to start your Amazon FBA business, or to grow your existing Amazon FBA business, or to grow your e-commerce as a whole. We'll be discussing product research, ranking, ManyChat, how to bring your product to retail, many things that you'll be able to learn from. And I'm just excited to share our knowledge and my experience with you to be able to help you. At the same time, my experience and the only tip that I would love to give you, starting a business with Amazon FBA is a process. It takes time. You need to take it step by step and raise it, and slowly you will be able to see the result that you're looking forward, or the results that you are looking for. At the same time, do your best, listen to the right people, get the right knowledge, and I'm 100% confident you'll be able to make it. And this is from my experience by coaching hundreds of people and growing their business in Amazon FBA business. And I'm very excited about it. And also my best quote from one of my idols, Michael Jordan, says, I can accept failure, but I cannot accept not trying. So please, if you're really serious about that business, keep trying, keep grinding, and I promise you'll be able to make it. So thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to meet you in San Francisco and to be able to help you and learn from the other speakers who are going to be there. So thank you so much, and I will see you there. Take care.
What's up, guys? Bradley Sutton from Helium 10 here. I just want to let you know I'm super excited to meet you guys at the Seller Growth Summit this month. Why am I excited? Well, there's three main reasons I can think of. First of all, I love speaking at events because I get to share my story with a lot of people and help you guys rise to the top. That's what our motto is here at Helium 10. I'm going to be giving you guys some really cool tips and strategies on Amazon, not just on Amazon, not just about Helium 10, but even some just general e-commerce things, and even some tips and tricks about travel, right? Travel has nothing to do with maybe e-commerce, but that can help e-commerce or Amazon sellers. So be on the lookout for that. Reason number two that I'm pumped up is the networking. Like I said, I love meeting new people and just hearing their stories and seeing what's inspiring out there, and possibly maybe even meeting our next guest on the Serious Sellers podcast. I'd love to meet people and then hear their story and then have them share it with all of the listeners out there, maybe help inspire other people who have similar backgrounds or similar trajectories in their career, right? And thirdly, I'm just excited to go because as a spectator, for some of the speakers that are coming. I mean, have you seen this speaker lineup? You've got Tim Jordan, one of the most unique product researchers out there. Is researchers a word? Yeah, somebody who does product research, right? You've got Isabella Hamilton, who is an Amazon keyword ranking specialist. You've got Carlos Alvarez. Now, Carlos Alvarez, I've had him on the podcast before. This guy now, over all his businesses, makes over $100 million now. You know how he started? By selling bugs. Can you believe? Guys, you got to hear his story, all right? So I'm super pumped. There's a lot of other great speakers that will be there, Rich Goldstein, Paul Barron, and more. So I'm super pumped to go there. I will see you guys. Make sure to go to sellergrowthsummit.com and get your ticket now if you haven't already. And I'll see you in San Francisco.
Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Carlos from Bluebird Marketing Solutions, Wizards of Amazon. And I wanted to share one quick tip here, obviously not in my office, outside of a Starbucks, about growing a business you can sell on Amazon. And obviously there's millions of them, and I look forward to sharing them with you in San Francisco, February 28th at Seller Growth Summit, which I am stoked to be at. But my one tip that I only get to share here is one of the things that the dozen of businesses that I've started on Amazon and sold that have in common is I had them all in big box retail stores. So they began on Amazon and I got them in big box retail stores. The best tactic I can tell you from just my experience in making that happen was, I would call it grassroots efforts. So like I would exhibit in trade shows. I would canvas farmers markets, regardless of my product type and whether it was a fit at a farmer's market. And I would have a half a dozen plus of them going on per month. And one thing that I think most people are scared about trade shows and exhibiting their products is that it's a huge unknown. Like, how do you get set up, your booth and whatnot? And they cost, like, you're gonna spend $10,000, $15,000, $20,000. And what's worked for me though is that I've never lost on a trade show. And the more people that I've reached out to that have exhibited their products that I know are also Amazon sellers that have exhibited their products at a trade show, worst case scenario, broke even. And every time you leave with a few more B2B clients to purchase, and that just snowballs, and it made my businesses more attractive for a purchase. So I hope you like this tip. I am stoked to see you February 28th at Seller Growth Summit in San Francisco.
Hello, my beautiful Amazon family. How are you? This is Isabella with Ring Bell coming in from San Diego. Just wanted to send you a quick message and want to extend an invitation to come join me and the one and only Tim Jordan in San Francisco, February 28th, the end of this month, at the Seller Growth Summit. We're going to be discussing the biggest and best opportunities to rank your products in 2020. There's going to be a lot of bright minds there, and we will all be sharing very important information you cannot miss. So one thing I want to tell you today, since my specialty is ranking products on Amazon, specifically on page 1, because if you're not on page 1, you might as well not be on Amazon at all. When a seller comes to me and they tell me, Isabella, I would really like to rank, let's say, for headphones, right? We look at the amount of giveaways we have to do. So let's say if we need 100 units that we need to give away. Usually what sellers would do, they would split it by days, like CPR method from Helium 10. They recommend 8 days, which by the way, it's fantastic. And you should really consider using CPR if you don't have it. We look at that number and we try to not split it equally as what usually people do. We want to diversify. So instead of doing, let's say, 12 every single day, we will take that number and split it so it's not equal. So we'll do 8 today, we'll do 4 tomorrow, we'll do 5 the next day. You want to keep it very, very natural. And then we will check the ranking every single day to see how far you've come. So we basically split test the ranking and we see which one works for you. And I was only supposed to give you a tip, but because you're my favorite, I will give you one more. And this is actually very, very important. Amazon has a new function right now. You probably know it. It's called Request a Review button. And I know sellers are very excited about that, and it's really fantastic, and it actually works very well. I definitely recommend you using it, but I want you to use it carefully. I want you to wait for regular products about 7 to 10 days before requesting a review from a buyer. This is for regular products. If you have a supplement or if you're in the beauty category, please wait at least 10 to 15 days before requesting that review. And this will ensure that that review actually stays on your account. Thank you very much. I hope to see you all in San Francisco.
Hey guys, Paul Barron here with Chat Marketing University, and first of all I have to apologize for if it's a little bit shaky. I left my little gimbal at home. But I wanted to give you guys a tip for using ManyChat, and you can learn more at the Seller Growth Conference that I'll be speaking at the end of the month. But if you are not doing this right now, you need to start connecting you can connect your ManyChat account to Google Sheets. It's built into the Pro plan, which starts at only $10 a month, and start getting people to opt in to giving you their phone numbers for SMS and gathering their email addresses. Save all of that data in the Google Sheet file, okay? Now, why you want to do this is because Amazon has made accessing personally identifiable information such as first name, last name, email address, mailing address, and phone numbers. You can't get those anymore for the most part inside Amazon. Using this, you can then be able to build your list of email subscribers, SMS subscribers, and build your launch list for future product releases. Now, we have a ton more information. If you are going to be coming to the Seller Growth Summit, I will be giving you a premium template that I normally charge at least $100 for, and it will be included. Man, it's snowing hard. You can get it for free at the event. And what this is the basically the product insert funnel that I use for gathering people's email addresses and phone numbers and all that jazz. So sign up for Seller Growth Summit, probably one of the best kind of hidden gem Amazon conferences to date. Hope this helped.
Hey everybody, Tim Jordan here. I want to talk about Amazon in 2020. There are so many people right now talking about how Amazon is dead. There's no more opportunity. You can't launch a product and make money. It's not a good business venture. Listen, the people that are telling you that are wrong, but they might not know they're wrong. It might be an accident. So many people right now are watching what people in 2015, 16, 17 were doing, and right now it's just changed. It doesn't work. And if you're trying those methods, if you're trying to pick the same products and sell the same products as you were back then, it's not going to work. The good news is there are ways to make it work. There are new methods, there are new tactics, there are new strategies that every day are working for myself and a lot of other sellers. All you have to do is learn what those are. You can do that this month in San Francisco. The 28th of February, we're having the Seller Growth Summit. Myself and a bunch of other great speakers are flying in. We're going to be doing a jam-packed, hardcore, one-day workshop. We're going to be talking about all sorts of the latest, greatest strategies for 2020, not just in optimizing and ranking and picking products, but also in how to get your mindset right to build a business, how to get over any hurdles that you've come across. We're talking about a lot of great stuff. We're packing as much content into one day as humanly possible. Also, there's going to be great networking. We've got free catered lunch. We're going to this restaurant that's completely bought out for us. Free drinks, free food, anything that you want there as far as networking. We've got service providers, we've got big sellers, we've got beginning sellers, we've got other influencers, we've got great content creators. You just have to come to San Francisco February 28th to the Seller Growth Summit. Click the link on this post to make sure you can see all the information. Get your tickets before they sell out, and we'll see you there.